has added some forward-thinking design elements to the Maverick's interior to make it more usable. The split armrests, for example, provide enough room to carry a 1-liter water bottle, your normal big ol' Nalgene, so it doesn't slide about on the floor. There's also a storage compartment behind the back seats that may easily accommodate sports equipment, tools or camping goods. Despite its small size, the cabin has a roomy feel about it. Unique textures and materials will be used throughout the interior, according to Ford. The dash panel is believed to have a stone-like appearance, akin to the Tesla Cybertruck concept's dash, and ground carbon fiber is used throughout the interior. Rear seat passengers may take use of Ford integrated tether slots, which can accommodate cup holders, an extra storage bin, food hooks, and a cable organizer if an accessory package is purchased. More OEM accessories are on the way, and we're excited to see what the aftermarket comes up with.